In the southeast of England, HORLICKS QUARTER is located just 20 miles from London. In the heart of an area forecast for strong economic growth, Slough's excellent location makes it one of the best connected towns in the UK. From the HORLICKS QUARTER, it's just 16 minutes by car to Heathrow Airport and also the M4 and M25. A 7-minute walk takes you to Slough Station, Crossrail and the modern bus terminal. The proposed Western Rail link will reduce journey times between Slough and Heathrow to just 7 minutes. Slough is one of the most ethnically diverse towns in the UK, with a fast-growing and young population. Slough has one of the highest number of global company headquarters in the UK. With high employment levels, Slough is also a hothouse for young entrepreneurs. New offices, including the Porter Building, the Future Works and leisure centres. It's no wonder Slough has been declared Europe's top small city on the future by a Financial Times poll. Slough's schools make it a leading borough for education, with access to top universities in and out of London. 92% of schools in Slough are classed as outstanding by Ofsted, and only 2 miles away is the world-famous Eton College. From HORLICKS QUARTER you can get to Royal Holloway University in just 20 minutes by car, Reading University in 32 minutes, Oxford University in 40 minutes by train, and Imperial College London in 46 minutes. One of Slough's least known facts is the opportunities for leisure time in and around the town. Whether it's activity or some gentle relaxation, Slough is a place where there really is something for everyone. The Curve building is home to a new library and arts centre. Salt Park provides play areas and tennis courts and is only a short walk to the newly refurbished ice arena and indoor climbing wall. Slough also provides The Centre, a new multi-sports gym and pool complex, and further afield fantastic outdoor facilities in nearby locations. In the heart of Slough, HORLICKS QUARTER also finds itself in the rural county of Berkshire. Well known for its beautiful countryside and some exceptional places to visit and explore. Just 7 minutes away is Windsor, Windsor Great Park, Clifton House, also nearby are Henley-on-Thames, Ascot and picturesque Marlow. The area is also great for cultural foods and fine dining, with over 6 Michelin-starred restaurants locally from top chefs Tom Kerridge, Alain Roux and Heston Blumenthal. One of the best things about living in Slough is you can access the centre often quicker than if you live in some parts of London. By train it's just a 15-minute journey, and world-class luxury and high street shopping soon accessible as far as Canary Wharf via Crossrail. In the heart of Slough is HORLICKS QUARTER, a beautiful reimagining of an historic, iconic site. Stylish apartments sit amongst sustainable gardens and a central park. Exceptional amenities and stylish specification make this a truly unique place to call home. For more information, please speak with our sales advisors or visit our website.